There's a moment when the world slows down and your heart speeds up. Maybe it's a skipped beat, a short breath, a quiet worry that something's not right. At Intermountain Health Heart and Vascular at St. Mary's, we know that moment. We've walked through it with thousands of people across Western Colorado. We're proud to be an accredited chest pain center through the American College of Cardiology and the first community hospital in the nation to earn vascular verification from the American College of Surgeons and the Society for Vascular Surgery. From life-saving valve replacements to rhythm-restoring ablations to advanced vascular procedures on arteries and veins and cardiac rehab, our nationally trained specialists bring together the best minds, the latest technology, and the deepest compassion. When seconds matter, choose the team that is nationally recognized for excellence. We are Intermountain Health Heart and Vascular at St. Mary's. We know you by heart. Learn more at stmarysgj.org/heart.